Today's video is for cilantro lovers. This is my grandmom's recipe to preserve cilantro after harvest because she used to grow a lot. The ingredients are super simple, but the combination is surprisingly delicious. If you love cilantro, you better think carefully before making this recipe because this stuff is addictive. Wash the cilantro and drain thoroughly. Place it on a rack and let it dry by following one of the methods on the screen. I'm using a dehydrator because I have one. Just set it at 95 degrees Fahrenheit and let it dry for 3 to 4 hours. I used 400 grams of cilantro. After dehydrating, I get about 280 grams left. Cut the cilantro into 1-inch long pieces. Combine the cilantro with minced garlic, Thai bird-eye chilies, red chili flakes, and salt, and mix thoroughly. Put the cilantro in a clean mason jar and seal well. It will stay good in the fridge for 5 months. You can eat it right away, but it does taste much better if you let it sit for 2 weeks. I like to top it onto plain congee, wonton soup, or noodle soup. You can also incorporate it into other recipes. Let me show you one of my favorite ways to enjoy this preserved cilantro. Crack an egg into a bowl. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of the preserved cilantro and whisk thoroughly. Heat a wok over high heat until smoking hot. Add 1 tablespoon of pork lard and the egg cilantro mixture and pan fry until golden on both sides. Serve as a breakfast item. I just love cilantro. And no matter how much my grandmom preserves, it is always not enough. I hope you give this a try soon. As always, the printable recipe link is in the description. Go check it out. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more easy and delicious Chinese food. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!